Hi everyone, welcome back to carepolicy.us. Did you know that by 2030, a quarter of Illinois' population will be 60 years or older, increasing the demand for home care services? If you're ready to make a difference, here's how to start your home care agency in Illinois. Step 1. Understand the industry and market. Before you dive into the business, grasp the growing need for in-home care over institutional settings. Research your local market and decide your focus, whether it's non-medical care, skilled nursing, or both. Step 2. Create a business plan. This roadmap should outline your mission, services, and financial projections. This plan is crucial for securing investments and setting a clear path for your agency's growth. Step 3. Establishing your business structure. It's essential to select an appropriate legal structure, such as an LLC, to have protection against personal liability. Consult with a business attorney to choose the best structure for your agency's needs and goals. Once you have decided on the business structure, register your business with the Illinois Secretary of State to make it legal. Make sure you also apply for your employer identification number with the Internal Revenue Services, IRS. Step 4. Obtain necessary licenses and accreditation. In Illinois, you'll need to secure either a home health license, home services license, or a home nursing agency license. To enhance your agency's credibility, consider going the extra mile and obtaining accreditation from recognized bodies like the Joint Commission. There is a comprehensive application package available on the Illinois Department of Health website. If you are having trouble figuring out the application, you can always reach out to licensing experts at carepolicy.us. They will assist you with that. Step 5. Develop comprehensive operational documents. These are your agency's backbone, defining how things work. They cover everything from standard procedures to emergency plans, making sure you meet legal requirements and consistently deliver reliable services. By creating these documents, your agency will not only adhere to legal standards, but also enhance service reliability and client trust. If you don't know where to start, check out the link below to download editable templates for your home care agency licensure. Step 6. Hire qualified staff. The quality of your team directly impacts the success of your agency. It's important to hire certified professionals and individuals committed to compassion and quality care, and provide your team comprehensive training to ensure high standards of care. Step 7. Market your services. Make sure to use a blend of both digital and traditional marketing methods for effective marketing. And that's it. You're ready to launch your home care agency in Illinois? With careful planning and dedication, your home care agency can thrive. For more resources, visit our website, www.carepolicy.us, linked in the description.